Hey everybody, so today we're going to be doing a unboxing. I know it's been a while, but haven't really been any models that I needed to add to the collection until now. Today we're going to be unboxing the Gemini 200 Air France Boeing 777-300ER. This is aircraft F-GZNH. I have seen this plane in Detroit. Here it is. I'm pretty sure this was a diversion from Chicago due to weather. Not sure if I've worked on this specific one before, but we definitely have touched the 777-300 that they send occasionally as a sub for the 200. So, front of the box here, we've got the plane, Air France, Boeing 777-300ER, 1/200 scale. Not too much going on the side. On the back, there's a little bit of information. We'll kind of go over that a little more when we open it. But again, this is a Gemini Jets Gemini 200, and this is item number Golf 2 Alpha Fox Romeo 1282. And this is Gemini 200, but it is produced in France by Socatec. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. I'm pretty sure it's French. I've never actually heard anyone say it. So if we go ahead and flip the front, on the front of our box, we've got some information here on the dimensions, and then some other stuff that's in French, but they do have an English translation. Then we've kind of got this cutout where we can see the airplane itself. So we'll go ahead and get this out of its box and take a look at it. Alright, so out of the box we've got the aircraft, which is set into the foam, and then this little plastic cover that we'll take off. In here we've got the standard Gemini 200 stand, metal base for the heavies. Then we've also got the landing gear. There's two mains and a nose. We'll go ahead and open this up real quick. So one thing that's different about the 300 versus the 200, you can kind of see, if it'll focus, this actuator in the back right here. That's the semi-levered gear actuator, which really just kind of helps with tail strike prevention and a little bit of performance during takeoff. That's one thing that the 300 has that the 200 does not, and that's mainly because of the length of the aircraft. So as well as our landing gear, we've got the little closeout plates in case we wanted it to be in a gear up position. And then we have the aircraft itself. So another feature of the 300 versus the 200, if you're ever just trying to tell the difference at a glance, a 200 only has 4 passenger doors on each side, where the 300 has 5. The addition is the over-the-wing one, I believe. That is not on the 200. So we'll go ahead and get this on the landing gear and get some close-up shots of it. So since it's been a while, I'll kind of just show off the collection, what I have so far. And if you're kind of just joining us or new to my unboxing videos, the aircraft I collect are fairly specific. These are all airplanes I have worked on throughout my career. So at this point, there's only a few that Gemini has not come out with yet. A few of those I've just never seen them make before. And then there's some other ones that the aircraft is not even currently flying yet. So eventually, I'm sure they will, when they come out with the Delta 37 Max as well as the 350-1000, I'll be getting those. Other than that, the ones I'm missing are the Delta 767-400, which they have not come out with, a Saab 340 in the Delta colors, and a CRJ 900. I know they do have the 900 out, but been kind of waiting for one that isn't SkyWest or ExpressJet. So, with the exception of those, the collection is getting fairly complete, and as you can see, it's pretty full and taking up a lot of space, so really happy with how far it's come. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of the unboxing series, in a lot of the videos I try and give little technical bits about some of the airplanes instead of just talking about the model itself. So if you want to check those out, there is a whole playlist. I will put that as the kind of end screen thing so you can click on it there. Again, thanks for watching.